we have Project LROND set to acquire a major international payment processing entity with the decision and acquisition fully backed and green-lighted by the Central Bank of Romania. Be sure to stick around till the end to not miss any of what's going on here in the crypto sphere. Drop a like on the video if you like the video, and be sure to subscribe as we try to keep these coming at you daily. Now, we have XLM under the influence of the Buy 4 Golden Cross and Super Robo advisors. We're going to recap real quick. EngineeringRobo members already know we utilized the Buy 4 and Golden Cross throughout the end of July and beginning of August of 2021. Our investment experienced 57% in upside over the following 35 days, and utilizing the Super Sell and Sell 4 Robo advisors, we were able to capitalize on 22% ROI in 36 days, utilizing bullish and bearish Robo advisors. We have another instance of the Buy 4 and Golden Cross coming into play throughout the middle of October of 2021. Our investment experienced 33% in upside over the following 29 days, and utilizing the Sell 4 and bearish cross, we were still able to close our position technically in profit. And as you can see from that Sell 4 and bearish cross combination, XLM proceeded to experience a crippling 51% in downside, so you lost half of your investment if you did not take profits when EngineeringRobo became bearish. Now, looking at XLM here, it would appear we are interacting with my support level. 17.5 cents is currently holding up quite nicely here, it would appear. If you want to invest into XLM moving forward, so you have $1,000 to invest into the project, we can put 20% of our investment in at my support level. Hopefully you were able to, as we are interacting with it currently here, we can put 30% of our investment into XLM when daily candles open and close above the descending trend line, and we can put that remaining 50% of our investment into the project when two of our chosen 3 robo advisors become bullish. We have that Buy 4 by itself on the 7th of February. We would not accumulate at that level until we have 2 of our chosen 3 robo advisors bullish here. It would appear we are still under the influence of the Sell 4 and bearish cross. So we always go with the flow of EngineeringRobo and await the confirmations to allow for comfortable accumulation. We will reduce our position accordingly if necessary. It's all about capitalizing on upside and minimizing downside. If we were to continue our way downward here, if daily candles are opening and closing below 17.5 cents per XLM, then we would reduce our position accordingly and anticipate continued interaction toward the 11-cent level, the next strongest area of support in my opinion. But if we were to recover here, any sort of upside will be met with resistance. Watch out for 27 cents and 39 cents as the strongest levels of resistance waiting for us here that will be giving us a hard time. Feel free to take some profits at those levels. However, we always remain 50% invested until EngineeringRobo suggests otherwise. So let me know down below your thoughts on XLM. So the National Bank of Romania has green-lighted an acquisition in the blockchain industry, authorizing the blockchain startup LROND to acquire a payment processing platform. So LROND, a blockchain firm focused on distributed applications, received approval to purchase the electronic money institution Capital Finance Services, which acts under the brand TwistPay. And so TwistPay provides an international payment solution supporting multiple fiat currencies and integrating various payment methods. The firm is the principal member of Visa and MasterCard, meaning that it directly participates in issuing cards and is allowed to acquire merchants. By acquiring TwistPay, LROND is making a strategic move to establish itself as a bridge between traditional finance and the cryptocurrency industry. The acquisition also puts LROND in a strategic position to offer an infrastructure for faster and cheaper payment solutions. Other potential use cases include new stablecoins, crypto-enabled debit cards, as well as benefits of DeFi, NFTs, and other Web3 technologies that will enhance trust and efficiency for existing financial systems. The main goal is to leverage TwistPay's e-money license for issuing stablecoins that can be used in the EU both for personal and business use for payments and value transfer, as well as potentially for official use at institutional level. This landmark decision from the Romanian Central Bank opens the door for EU citizens and soon for everyone everywhere to significantly benefit from the value flowing with near instant settlement times at 100 times fewer costs with full transparency and higher reliability, says the CEO and founder of Elrond. But in my opinion, continued bullish, adoption here, it would appear, for blockchain technology. We have a governing body, the National Bank of Romania, also a multi-billion-dollar entity in the traditional world of finance, fully supporting this decision, this acquisition in the crypto sector here. In my opinion, it is very difficult to be bearish on the space at the moment. Crypto and Bitcoin and blockchain technology has just been, ever so increasingly in demand from these major institutions, governing bodies, and entities in the traditional world of finance. All of this institutional activity does suggest that, crypto may be here to stay. But let me know down below your thoughts on this article. Find it in the description. So we have Elrond, coin symbol EGLD, making some rather significant acquisitions here. It would appear fundamentally quite bullish. However, technically, we are at resistance under the influence of some bearish robo advisors here, it would appear. We're going to recap real quick. We have this coin under the influence of the super buy 4 and buy 3 robo advisors, utilizing the super buy and buy 4 throughout the end of July of 2021. Your investment experienced 249% in upside over the following 50 days, easily 3.5x on your money, utilizing bullish robo advisors. And if you weren't able to sell at that swing high, utilizing the sell 3 and sell 4 robo advisors, you were still able to capitalize on 114% ROI, fully doubling your money, utilizing bullish and bearish robo advisors. We took profit because 2 of our chosen 3 robo advisors became bearish, utilizing the buy 4 and buy 3, 2 of our chosen 3 robo advisors becoming bullish. We invested into the project, experienced 77% in upside over the following 20 days, and we were still able to capitalize on 22% ROI, utilizing the return of that sell 3 and sell 4, 2 of our chosen 3 robo advisors becoming bearish. As you can see, since that combination of sell signals throughout November of 2021, the coin has proceeded to experience 70% in downside over the following weeks here. So you have lost well over half of your investment holding onto the coin with bearish robo advisors in play. Moving forward, we see this buy 4 here on the 7th of February. We are not accumulating at that level because we need 2 of our chosen 3 robo advisors becoming bullish. So moving forward, say you have $1,000 to invest into the project, we can put 50% when we have those 2 bullish robo advisors. You can put 30% into the project when daily candles are opening and closing above the descending trend line, and we can put that remaining 20% in at support. That is going to be either $87.22 down below. Currently, $140.71 is overhead as resistance. Whichever one comes first, we can put 20% at support, either $87.22 or when daily candles open and close above $140.71, confirming that level as support. We always go with the flow of the confirmations and watch out for EngineeringRobo. Alrighty, Bitcoin, crypto, the currency, currently continuing this phase of sideways interacting toward my support level. We are currently still in this consolidation pattern, awaiting the breakout. In my opinion, as I've been mentioning, I've been finding it very difficult to be bearish on the space. However, we always go with the flow of the confirmations because feelings and emotions and opinions do not matter in trading. Now, currently, we are seeing this bearish cross robo advisor here attempting to print with the daily candle. We will need this candle to close to confirm this sell suggestion, and then we would need a second bearish robo advisor to consider reducing our investment to then patiently wait to reinvest once bullish parameters have been met. So investing into Bitcoin moving forward, we already put 20% of our investment in at my support level. $34,655 per Bitcoin is so far smelling like a rather significant bottom here, it would appear. A perhaps third and final bullish interaction with my support level with candles similar to the 24th of January or the 24th of February. Perhaps the 24th of March. What are the odds? But, a third bullish interaction with my support level, in my opinion, would solidify a bottom present, and we would anticipate continued bullish upside here. Currently under the influence of the Buy For and Moon Robo Advisor, we are still bullish on Bitcoin until bearish robo advisors have been confirmed. So we put 20% at support. We already put 50% when 2 of our chosen 3 robo advisors become bullish. We are just waiting for daily candles to open and close above the descending trend line to put that remaining 30% into Bitcoin. You already know the fear and FOMO zones here suggest that a potential top for Bitcoin isn't until $171,000 per Bitcoin. That is a price level I do anticipate interaction with before any sort of market top is to be discussed. Coming from the fear zone here throughout March of 2020, imagine buying an entire Bitcoin between 6 and 7,000 US dollars. Currently, in my opinion, entering the end of what appears to be a rather large continuation pattern. If we look at all of 2021 here, it would appear we have come from this 30K level, interacted with between $60,000 and $70,000 multiple times here, and at the moment this is the third time experiencing support off of this lower range near the $30,000 to $40,000 levels. Currently very close to the fear zone here as well. You want to be accumulating during times of extreme fear, and you want to be heavily considering taking profits when the market is euphoric and extreme FOMO is present. Someone has to buy the top, hopefully not you, because you've been accumulating through the lows here during extreme fear. But let me know down below your thoughts on Bitcoin and crypto with all of the institutional activity going on in the space, especially throughout 2021. I find it very, very difficult to be bearish on Bitcoin. But thank you so much for tuning in. Thank you for hearing my analysis. Check out EngineeringRobo for free with a link in the description. Subscribe here on YouTube and tune in for the next one.